Okay guys, we have this 28-foot Mesa Ridge, super light, with corner bunks. Check out this outside kitchen. Chute burner stove, you have a quick connect water hose that quick connects right there, mini fridge outside, and you even have a ladder on the back of this unit I just seen. Check your seals on the roof. You gotta check those every couple months, by the way, if you didn't know that, just to make sure the caulk isn't starting to separate or crack. You just want to recaulk over it. Bluetooth soundbar. You have a TV in this model. This is an 8 cubic foot gas or electric refrigerator. And then freezer. 3 burner stove, oven, pull down faucet. Looks like this is just a single, stainless steel farm sink. This unit is winterized, as you can see. U-shaped dinette. You have the pull out sofa. This pulls out where 2 people could sleep on there comfortably. Pantry here. You have some more closet space on this side for the people in the house or your kids. Look at this bathroom. I love the extra counter they give you in here and the extra linen. This does have a bathtub as well. The nice bunk beds. There's windows in here. There's USB ports and these little net thingies to keep your iPads or phones, if your kids do have those already. Oh, and I think this lifts up. Yeah, it does. This lifts up so you can store some more storage under there, like fishing poles. You can put a bicycle under there, some totes if you wanted to. And this unit also does not have any carpet. It's all vinyl flooring, even on the slide out. Extra wide entrance door to the bedroom. I like pointing that feature out. There's storage underneath the bed in this model, and you actually get a shelf on this side and then 2 drawers on that side, laundry chute, and then cabinets and closets all the way around. And you can mount a TV in here. Nice wide open floor plan. Very mutual colors. Not too bad. Oh, these kind of blended in, but just something a little extra. And they go all the way back. Pretty deep. Thank you guys so much.